I don't understand this OnlyFans business. Who actually pays for this shit? I mean, to me, OnlyFans is the devil's work. I don't know who to blame. Do you blame the girls that are showing their titties and getting naked on this platform that someone built for profit? I mean, you can't blame the guy for building it, right? He's now made hundreds of millions, if not being a billionaire. But I really do find OnlyFans to be very strange in today's world. I mean, what a horrible, devilish work of Satan this platform is. Imagine what God would think if he came back down to earth and he saw the shit that was going on. Oh, here we go. Here's a hot 19-year-old girl making $40 million in 1 year from showing her pussy and her titties on a platform. The first thing God would say is, who is paying for this? Those people have sinned dearly. Anyway, as you can see, I'm back in London. This obviously isn't Miami Beach because it's pissing down with rain and I'm holding an umbrella and it's windy and it's cold. That's how you know I'm definitely back in London. But yeah, I was thinking about this today and I've thought about this a lot, and I am so anti-OnlyFans. I think it's absolutely disgusting that this sort of platform becomes huge, and the money that they paid to creators last year, it was in the billions of dollars. They paid up to billions of dollars to creators. And let's be honest, you're like, oh, OnlyFans isn't just for porn and for dirty stuff. Yes, it is, idiots. OnlyFans is basically soft porn and hardcore porn. And, you know, I understand this term capitalism and freedom. Oh, let's just let people be free. I tell you what, no. Let's not let people be free. Because when you let people be free, they do dumb shit. Like 19-year-old girls throwing their pussy around on a platform, making $40 million. Now, great for them, right? If you're a hot girl and you're 40, obviously you're going to be throwing it around online. Obviously you're going to be throwing it around on a camera to make $40 million a year. Hell, if I was her, I'd probably do the same shit. So who is actually to blame in this instance? Well, I'd say who's to blame is the beta male, loser men who are actually paying for this service, who are actually tipping this girl money. How disgusting are these men? How desperate and stupid can you actually potentially be to think that you're getting attention from someone? Do they really think, oh yeah, oh, she probably likes me and she wants to talk to me, let me tip her. Oh, she's put a banana in her arse. Great, she's doing what I tell her to do. Oh, she's submissive. No, Dumbo, weirdo, beta male loser. She's making money from your dumb, ugly, fat ass. And that's why she's doing it. So really, those men are to blame. I mean, what is up with these guys? They're the ones that are ruining it for everyone, right? Like I said, the concept of this is who's to blame? Can you really blame the hot girls? I don't think you can, because they don't want to have to go to law school and work for a law firm and get told what to do and be treated like shit for 10 years to make a half decent salary. Hey, I tell you what, let me wave my asshole on camera and make some millions of dollars since everyone else is doing that. Oh, and then I can buy my financial freedom because men don't look after me and I need to be Miss Independent. What a fucked up world we live in. Goodness me, I can't believe I live in these times. Horrendous people. This is the devil's work. God would be so upset with us right now. He'd be like, you sick beings, is this how I taught you to be? So really, I blame the weirdo freak men, probably overweight, probably not getting laid, probably disgusting, sitting in a basement somewhere, paying a subscription. Are you actually telling me men pay a subscription to see hot girls? Dude, porn is free. Why don't you just watch porn? Not that that's any better, that's also the devil's work. That's another video I'm going to do about how disgusting porn is and how terrible it is for our minds. Not just for young minds, but for older minds. Right? So forget that. Porn is basically free online. You've got access to every weird, cliche niche that you want to see. Horses fucking Asian women. But no, instead you're jumping on OnlyFans. Why? Because it's more personable? Because you feel like you have a personal relationship with your with the creator? It's ridiculous is what it is. It's disgusting. And these loser men are the ones to blame. Society is completely fucked up. Protect your children, protect yourself for God's sake. And again, you know, fine, these girls, they've made $1 or $2. Well, some of them have made ridiculous amounts of money, and they're driving pink Lamborghinis around Miami, and they're completely tainted for the rest of their lives. And if you can actually come out of that and be strong and not be completely tainted and a devil worshipper, then good for you. Then I praise you for making your money and for buying your financial freedom. Because it's not your fault. It's the people who are paying you that are disgusting pigs.